Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing lauranewyork.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a site that sells women's apparel or women's clothing. And as you can see, you have it here open up on their website. And now they're saying goodbye to their customers since they have reached the end of their journey and part of the story. And as you can see, I'm just going to say it right off the bat that this store seems to be a scam, since if you see and hover it over here, this seems to be just edited or Photoshop pictures, since it doesn't change very much. It just changes the color of the clothing. So as you can see right here, so there are a lot of scam sites like very similar to these that have the same layout and same image. So if you head on over here to Trustpilot and see that they rated 2.3 out of 7 reviews, which is poor. So as you can see, do not buy into the scam, complete scam. It's pretty much a scam and a lot more. So please guys, do not buy from stores like these that give huge discounts, almost 50 or more than 50% off, since it is more than too good to be true. And that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.